This is how you make crispy noodles with scrambled egg sauce. So good. Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you my variation of Chinese crispy noodles,滑蛋脆面. This is a crispy noodle base with scrambled egg sauce with some vegetables and meat on top. It's a very popular dish in Asia and also in Chinese restaurants in the West, and it's been favored by many people, including me. So hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Okay guys, now we need to prep the ingredients. What I have here is some fine noodles. This is the ones we use at the restaurants. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have a prawn, fish ball, some fish cake, some fried tofu, and some sliced chicken. You can also use some other ingredients listed on the screen. Some bok choy, some spring onions, and some minced garlic. This is potato starch for thickening the sauce, and also 1 egg. So now we have all our ingredients covered. We are ready to start cooking. First of all, we need to cook our noodles. Get some hot water. Slowly cook the noodles. Let it soften up in the water. This only takes about a minute. Once you see the noodles has loosened up, you can drain it out. Set it aside and heat up your wok. Oil. Now we're going to fry the noodles. Watch carefully. How you know it's ready? Flick it. That's ready. Noodles in. Swing it around. Try not to touch it too much first. Now we flip the noodles. Keep it on high heat. Make sure it's crispy in the middle. Baste the noodles. The noodles are getting crispy now. Back on high heat. And that's done. In the same wok, add your garlic and spring onions. Add your ingredients. Water. I like mine quite saucy, so I've got 3 spoonsful of water. Now the sauce is cooking. We're gonna start seasoning it. Oyster sauce, some salt, some MSG, some sugar, white pepper, sesame oil. Add your vegetables. Bring the sauce to a boil. Get ready to thicken the sauce.
Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm grabbing the potato starch water into the ladle, and I'm going to turn it back on high heat and put in the potato starch, mixing it thoroughly and looking at the sauce, see if it's thick enough the first time.
So if it's too watery, we need to add a bit more. Second time should do it.
So do the same again the second time, and as you can see, the sauce should provide a much smoother consistency. Remember, always high heat when thickening.
Egg. Now break the egg up with your finger, back on high heat, and drop the egg in around the circle. Give it 2 seconds. Push the wok. Bring it back and push. And some oil. And that's how you cook the sauce. Put your noodles on a plate. The noodles absorbing all the flavors. The noodles are so nice and all the ingredients work together very well. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.